This is bad. Look at this. This is 2 different colors. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, So, I've lost part of my heart hair, like as in my jewels, not my actual heart. Yeah, it's supposed to be a heart. Anyways, hi guys, guess what time it is? I feel like I'm officially that person that just can't leave her hair alone. I'm like, I need to dye my hair. I need to dye purple. It's like, it's just a must at this point. Like, I need it. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're already subscribed. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maren, and I usually make beauty videos, self-improvement videos, and pole dancing videos. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to hit that subscribe button and give me a like. Today's video is yet another, need I say more? Need I say more? It's another hair dyeing video. I feel like every like 5th or 6th or like however many video I make is a hair dyeing video. I don't know why I like documenting when I dye my hair, just cause there's that element of what if I fuck up, and like I feel like people kind of like to watch when people fuck up their hair. So I'm here to provide you with a possible fuck up. I'll put a playlist here of all the times I've dyed my hair. So today I'm dyeing my hair purple. This whole video is going to be about me dyeing my hair purple to pink, but my hair is currently blue at the ends, so I have to wait for the blue to wash out. But I'm so impatient, and my hair is kind of yellow right now because I just bleached it and I didn't have enough toner, so I'm like, I may as well just dye it purple. It's a logical thing to do. So I'm gonna dye my hair purple today, and then I'm going to be dyeing my ends light pink at some point. Once the blue washes out, the blue just takes forever to wash out. That's very common with blue hair dyes, so I was expecting that. Sorry. I actually was inspired by Norvina from Instant Influencer. She's like the something for Anastasia Beverly Hills, like something important. Like, I don't know what the title is, but she had really cool hair in the Instant Influencer program that, you know, James Charles, Beauty Influencers TV show. I'll put a picture here if I find one. That's what I want to try to do. Today I'm just doing the purple. I'm just gonna get going. I'm just gonna switch locations, and yeah, let's just get right into it. I feel like I've been in this exact location dyeing my hair so many times now. It's just routine at this point. So as you can probably tell, I have a little test strand hair that I'm doing. I think I do like the shade of purple. The problem is I thought it was way darker of a purple, because I have used this before and I thought I remembered it to be darker, but I only have one of these, so I'm gonna have to mix it out in some conditioner just because I need more volume. This is gonna be cool, just the blue to purple. No, that purple to blue. Yes, I'm gonna use this. I'm guaranteed gonna use this whole thing probably because I have a lot of hair. So I'm using this glass bowl. I have a feeling I'm not supposed to use, oh, shut up. I have a feeling I'm not supposed to use a glass bowl, but I feel like I always do shit I'm not supposed. I don't know why I keep squeezing it when I'm talking, like. I always do stuff I'm not supposed to do is what I was trying to say. I gotta get a brush. Also, total side note, but I'm just starting to really get into more complicated makeup, so I'm not the best at cut crease. This makeup isn't perfect, so, you know, be nice to me. Yeah. So here's what this test strand is looking like. I think it is a bit too purple. So I'm just... Wow, this isn't actually that much in here. Uh-oh. Should have bought 2. Do I ever learn? I feel like I should have bought 2. Like, wow. That is not enough for my hair. Like, man, I may be out of luck, or not out of luck, in stupidity, because this is due to my own stupidity. So I'm just mixing some of this bedhead conditioner into that concoction. So this is what it looks like right now, and then I just mix. Okay, let's do another test strand here. Let's do right here. You know, I think this is the right color actually. So I'm just gonna pray to God that this is enough for all of my hair. I'm gonna try to not get it on the blue part just because that'll save me some dye. So yeah, I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. I don't think there's any use in showing you. It's just, you know, applying it as one does with hair dye. I'm just using this little thingy, my bobby. What is this called? I don't know. Someone tell me in the comments what this is called. Is it just like a hairbrush? No, it's not a hairbrush because this is a hairbrush. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys once I have it all over my hair. So, we have encountered a little bit of a minor problem. Just, you know, just tiny, just ran out of, dye halfway through and had to substitute it with purple shampoo. Which, if you don't know, I actually tested to see if I'm able to dye my hair with purple shampoo. I'll put that video up here, and it didn't work. I'm gonna look like an idiot. I'm gonna have like different colors in all of my hair, like all of my hair. Like I did this to myself. I did this to myself. I have never actually failed like this before. Like this is actually I'm failing. Like what? Like I don't know what to expect. I'm just like, ow, I got something in my eye. Ah! What? Why? I guess I should take this down. This is gonna be bad. This is I can't get over how stupid I am. This is bad. This is like, look at this. This is two different colors. Like, I'm gonna look like an idiot. I'm so glad I'm not going anywhere like the next little while. This is great. This is yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna let it sit, I guess, and I'll get back to you guys once I've washed it out and stuff. The funny thing is I strategically made sure I had dye on all the purple in the front so that for my pictures, like for Instagram and stuff, hopefully you can't see my failure. I did this to myself. I literally said earlier that I do stuff I'm not supposed to do, or things that you know, like I did this to myself. I am gonna go because I'm just repeating myself. Okay, I'll see you guys once I've washed it out. It's me literally 2 seconds later, not 2 seconds later, but it's me a little while later. I actually ended up using the rest of that, like, purple shampoo mixed with a little bit of dye, and I tried to kind of mix it in. At this point, I'm just like, damn, may as well. It's already f***ed up, so. So the front hair has just dye in it, as you can see, and then the underneath has mostly just dye, but I tried to mix the purple shampoo into, like, the rest of my hair. I don't know what I'm doing. I actually was like excited. I'm like, this is a nice purple shade. Like, this is gonna be nice. And then no. It just no. It's we'll see. I'll wait till I wash this out and see what happens, because this is gonna be interesting. See you guys. Hey guys, so it is the next day. As you can see, it's definitely purple. Yes, Maureen, purple dye dyes your hair purple. This is definitely a fail. Like, it looks kind of okay from the front, but even from the front, you can see there's some really dark purple hair, and then it kind of, I don't know, there's a bunch of different shades. There's a bunch of different things going on in my hair right now. It's like, I feel like my hair reflects my different, like, I don't know, like, I'm just all over the place as a person, so my hair is literally reflecting me in a way. So it looks kind of fine from the front, which is why I made sure to put dye in the front, because I could tell that I was running out of dye. So if I turn around like this is when you see the fucked upness. So there's this purple in the front, and then the purple shampoo actually did dye my hair, but it's more of a blue purple. So there's this purple in the front, and then there's that purple in the back, and then if you go under here, it's like a different purple. Hey guys, so it's Maureen from the future, but on the same day, I just realized that I should probably show you guys more of my hair from a distance. Here's my hair. That's my viewfinder making that noise. But I don't know, it definitely looks really weird. Like, when I was editing just now, realized how weird it actually looks. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I can't do accents. Anyways, back to past me, and I have blue ends. This is crazy. Not crazy, but like, I definitely didn't plan this. Like, holy fuck. So I think I'd assuredly English, I would say this is a fail. That being said, it's not that bad. Like, it almost looks like I was trying to do a look. Like, actually, I'm gonna take these out. Like, it almost looks like I was trying to make some sort of a look where I blended a bunch of colors. And just do a little twirly twirl. Okay, no. Oh, I'm standing, by the way. I just couldn't bother getting my chair to sit down because I was taking pictures of this makeup. Anyways, I pretty much decided I'm just gonna end the video. I'm gonna have to make a different video for, you know, that purple to pink that I was planning on doing, but since I failed with this purple, I'm gonna have to dye it purple all over again, so I'm just gonna make a whole other video for that. This is just gonna be a failure video because yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up or consider subscribing to my channel if you want to see more content like this. I tend... Content? I don't know what, I feel like I said something weird there. I make a lot of hair videos. I don't know what it is, but I do, so if you're into that, I'll probably be dyeing my hair in the future. Other than that, I just want to remind you guys to always be the light that you want to see in the world. Don't ever let anyone tell you you can't do something positive for the world, because you can. Also, if you guys want, follow me on Instagram. I post makeup pictures and stuff there, and I like to communicate with you guys in DMs. I have gotten a few, not that many. I'm not like big or anything, but I have gotten a few people message me, and it's just nice to actually like talk to you guys, because I want this to be more of a community rather than me just talking to a camera. So anyways, I'm babbling. Have a good day. Stay safe wherever you are. Bye.